Now we've seen the case of creating two variables, assigning a value, reading in a value here for x, reading in a value for y, and if x is greater than y, then we'll send this message, and we'll send that message. We've seen it work with y greater than x. If I put in x greater than y, then we'll see that x is greater than y. But what happens if we run this program and we put in 5 for x and 5 for y? It tells us that y is greater, which is clearly not true because we have a third case here. So what I could do is I could write if x is greater than y. If this expression evaluates to true, then I say x is greater, and then I can say else if y is greater than x, then write y is greater, and then I can finish it with an else console.writeLine. They are equal. What I'm doing here essentially is I have one condition, a second condition, and then any other condition that hasn't been met. If neither of these conditions are true, the program flow will move through these lines, executing each line one at a time. And if this is true, if 14 evaluates to true, then it will move to line 15. If it's not true, we'll skip line 15. And if line 16 is true, then it will run line 17. If that's not true, then it will move here and it will say else. If neither of these conditions is true, then this line will run. And let's try it again. And we'll say, put in the value for x here and value for y, and they are equal. So this is how to handle more than one condition. So I could use a number of different else-ifs to handle 3, 4, 5 different conditions if I needed to. If I have lots of conditions like that, there's another function in programming language called a case statement, which we'll go into later. So that's using selection, if statements, to control the flow of the program, the algorithm. Thank you.